Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. You have an itch? Stealing some of Felicity's hay? There's a whole bunch of hay out there for you. Go get it. Good morning, Felicity. Good morning, Hallie. Good morning, Molly. Let's get you some treats. Have a good day. Good morning, honey. Good morning, chickens. Good morning, Dawad. Good morning, Nugget. These silkies are getting all wet. It's a wet morning here. Here are the smart ones. Let's get it clean for them. We got it all clean for them. Have a good day, guys. These ones are out of the coop, lit under the sun sail, so they're staying dry. We'll go ahead and get the coop clean in case any of these girls decide they don't want to be out in the rain today. We got it all clean. Now I'm just gonna reach under these chickens and make sure. Oh, yeah, see, there was an egg. We don't want any eggs growing, although I don't think that they could. What about you, ma'am? You hiding an egg? Yep, she's hiding an egg too. So we take the eggs away, just hoping that they'll quit trying to be broody. Poor girl is looking for her egg now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get her out. I won't make her go all the way outside since it's raining, but get a drink if you want. This one doesn't really seem to care, but I'll get them both out. There you go. Stretch your legs. This one's gonna get something to eat. Good job, Nun. And I see at some point Esmeralda laid her egg yesterday. All right, we've got helpers here again. Thank you. All right. Thank you so much for helping, Oaks. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right, Oaks. Thank you. All right, Quinley and Blakely. Yep, put them both in there. Getting Molly's ready. Thank you. We got Hallie new litter and her hutch all cleaned out, so she's good to go for a little while. We've got more blankets put up to try and distract Molly and Honey from each other. Blakely got stacking cups ready for Felicity. Felicity. She came up to get her treats. All right, Blakely's bringing Hallie hers.
Is that fun?
Alright, have a good day, sister. It finally quit raining, so these girls are starting to dry off. Hey, Bridge. Okay. Hello, Dove. My hair needs blown out. Good afternoon, Atlee. Hey, sweet Harlow. Hey, Ember. I think I'd have to say out of all of the cows, that Dove is the one who has the worst hair that dries. Gets super clumpy and definitely needs brushed out after a good rain. Hey, Dwad. Hi, Felicia. Hi, Luna. Hey, Reese. Luca, did you guys lay any eggs today? Hey, Nug. Hey, Hershey. Hey, Moose. Is this your egg? Or is that Felicia's egg? Colonel, you can't be staying in the nesting box all day. Let's get you down. You're okay. You gonna go get a drink? Hey, Chocolate. What you doing? Hey, Todd. What are you doing, Sammy? Did you lay an egg today? Even with the fan on, with both the doors closed, it gets pretty stuffy in here. So now that it's not raining anymore, I'm gonna make these girls go on out. Go get a drink. You're not a typical broody hen. Are you getting out or are you getting ready to lay an egg? Huh? One on the shelf. There's a little bit of blood up here on the nesting box. Usually there aren't drips, so I don't know if someone cut their foot or what, but I'm not seeing anyone acting weird, so I'll just have to keep an eye out on it. Here's your bedtime treat, Hallie. Here's your bedtime treat, Felicity. Here's your bedtime treat, Molly. Are you gonna snub it? Quit marking it. Alright, I'll just set it down then. Here's your bedtime treat, honey. There you go, buddy. Ember's getting some brushes from Laban tonight. Bridget's giving Atlee some loves tonight. Trying to stay on her good side. Luca's doing some work on Harlow. Luca's gonna go ahead and brush Bridget out while Lana is brushing Atlee. Harlow, you look so pretty. Your halter matches your hairdo. You ready for bed? Yeah. Good night. Dove's getting her brushes now. I think Honey's pretty comfy. Hallie is all flopped out too. Molly's getting her belly full before bed. And so is Felicity. Everyone's in the bantam coop, so we're closing up their door. Just the ducks are out in the big chicken coop. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door for them because they don't like the chicken door. Head on into bed. All the way. Good night, guys. The day started out pretty wet, but now everyone's dry and in their stalls ready for bed. They've all been loved on and given their treats. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.